Drawing an eye has always been a favorite time pass and a calming process for me. But while drawing this one, a hyper realistic sketch, I was filled with confusions, doubts, and fear. That will this be worth my efforts? What if people around me criticize this one? What if it turns out to be a failure? What if, what if, what if? But after a long discussion with myself, I decided to draw without thinking about the result, that how it's going to turn out. As I kept moving forward, my doubts kept fading away, and after a certain period of time, I was able to see a clear picture. Those doubts turned into excitement and fears into confidence. In this process, I learned a lot of things. Some were related to drawing, some were not. But the most important thing that I learned was to get better at something, you have to take a step and leave the rest to the future. Do not let the future control you. You should and you have to make a bold move to get better at something. Recently, I was not drawing every day and I was not filming every single day because I was focusing more on my studies, and this was making me feel uneasy because I was unable to do one single thing that I am most passionate about. Then I started to film and sketch between the breaks that I used to get for rest while studying. Yes, this was exhausting, but this was much better option than watching movies and shows on computer. It's important to study to get a job and earn money. In other words, to live a life. But following your passion and doing something with it makes you feel alive. So, both of these things are important. One is important to provide you materialistic things and a joy that comes with it. And another is important to make your soul happy. That's why you have to and you should make balance to your studies or job and your passion. People often get lost in buying the best art supplies and watching about different art supplies and their reviews. But the key to be a better artist overall is to be patient while drawing and drawing on a regular basis. When we start a sketch, we are always focused on the outcome that we are going to get. But as we progress, we tend to lose our excitement and rush to finish the drawing as soon as possible. This is the time when we should get hold of ourselves and be patient and give the drawing some more time and work on the finer details to make it even more realistic and appealing. Do not try to finish a sketch in a single day, on a single sitting. When you feel bored, leave the sketch for some time and get back to it later. But give it as much time as you can, and you will definitely learn something new and extraordinary on this way. So that is it for today, guys, and I hope you guys learned something new from this video. And if that's the case, do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave your queries and suggestions in the comment section down below. Thank you.